How do you open a URL in a new tab, and not a new window? I'm trying to open a URL in a new tab, as opposed to a pop-up window. I've seen related questions where the responses would look something like this. But none of them worked for me. The browser still tried to open a pop-up window. Nothing an author can do can choose to open in a new tab instead of a new window. It is a user preference. CSS3 proposed target new, but the specification was abandoned. The reverse is not true. By specifying dimensions for the window in the third argument of window open, you can trigger a new window when the preference is for tabs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.